Hey there everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I was thinking to do something productive. At least I can tell myself no that quarantine mein kuch to kya. Because I've seen many people, they're doing what they love to do. Some are turning into bakers, pro level bakers. Then some are into dancing, singing, playing a musical instrument. But guys, I'm good at nothing. Yeah. Anyway, I thought I'll paint on stones because last week when I went to my granny's place, I bought some stone, and because those type of stones you see I don't get in my place, okay? And so I thought, why not paint on them? So I've got fabrics, two brushes, which is okay. I'll do something, okay? Because I'm not a great artist or something, but I'll still try my hands on. So let's get started. Hold up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and please hit the bell icon, please. So I have washed the stones as they were full of sand and mud together. Now I'll be showing you off my artistic skills. So get ready guys, because this is going to be a horrible experience for you all. I'm not a good artist guys, don't expect me to be doing something masterpiece or something. So these are the stones that I brought, and these are the two brushes. One is of what is it, number 12, and the other one is of number 2. And this is the fabric box. Okay, so I've got white, then I got yellow. Why is it not focusing? Okay, why is it not focus? This is okay, it's focused now. This is yellow, this is red, this is green, this is blue. I love blue. And lastly we have black. So let's get started. I'm thinking guys what to paint. So I can't go for complicated things because it will be a big disaster. I have that fate on me. I told you I'm good at nothing. So I looked for some simple ones, and when I was searching I got some really cute, but they were simple. So I'm thinking to paint them. When I was searching in the net, I got this picture and it really looked cute. But you see, those butterflies, those are not painted, those are actually stickers. So yeah, I'm thinking to do this. And the other one is this. Don't they look so cute? They're simple but they're very cute. So I'm also thinking I'll try them. So yeah guys, I was thinking कि कुछ tutorial देख लेती हूँ. You never know, it might turn out to be good. So the first thing that I was going to do was a big disaster. I was thinking I'll directly paint it on the stones, but no, you can't paint. Like, you have to have a base color which is white. You have to paint the stone in white, only then you can do your designs. So पहले में ही flop जाने वाला था. So anyhow, YouTube saved me. Yeah. So yeah, I'll be doing the base, and then we'll start coloring.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. wanna warn it. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
So I've done 3 और ये देखो मेरी मेहनत. I know it's bad. I've told you before. Don't expect me to create a masterpiece or something. But at least किया मैंने, and I'm going to show you properly now. Here it is, guys. I've done 3. I'm really tired now. So this is कुछ हो गया. इसके आँखों में कुछ हो गया. I don't know. चलो, no problem. Then I've done this one. One side it says faith and the other side it says love. But love में what is wrong? L के पास पता नहीं होगा because of the newspaper, I guess. And thirdly we have this. ये क्या है मुझे नहीं पता. I was thinking कि कुछ green है तो yellow बना देती हूँ, लेकिन जो भी है it's very dear to me because I have made it. Yeah, so I'll make this 5. I'll make this 5 afterwards. But yeah, that's all for today, guys. इतना ही हो सकता है. I'm really tired. My legs are paining now. That's all for today, guys. I'm happy that you all got to see my artistic skills. Okay, so yes, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and please hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.